So we started today with this short course, which is going to last 3 days, and it's going to be mostly about the use of multi-omics in drug discovery. Today is going to be mostly an introduction to the whole thing. I hope the students will enjoy and take the best from it, let's say. I will also try not to overload them with too much of information because it's relatively a new topic in the field, and yeah, so but I hope also something new for them. The course is offered to mostly master students of the pharmaceutical biotechnologies master course, but it's open also to external students actually, and whatever kind of interested people from the University of Padua, regularly subscribed. And the use of multi-omics in drug research and in general drug discovery is something relatively new, which offers also new perspectives in terms of patient stratification and selection of the best drug approach for therapeutic identification for different target populations of donors of interest. So also important for the whole concept of precision medicine. So yeah, I hope that this will be of interest for the audience, and we start today. Hopefully will be all good.